evening, everybody. JohnnyJans here, and today is day 23 of this thing that I'm doing, and I welcome you all tonight to Universal's Islands of Adventure. You see the Hulk behind me. Love that coaster. But today, I think I want to go explore what's over in Toon Lagoon and some of the things there, because I don't really know much about that land. So I want to go check it out. What are the shops? What are the wet areas? They have a lot of water areas, so I definitely want to see that. But first, before we go there, I gotta go do some meandering around. There's the Seuss Trolley train ride right above. Both Seuss Trolley train rides running today. I haven't seen the second one run in a while, and it looks like they're running them tonight. As the sun sets, I'm over in the Seuss Landing first. If I ran a zoo, it begs the question I often ask myself many a times. What if I ran the zoo? What would it look like? I bet it would look just like this. Let's go see what's in this weird place, huh? Today, the kids' objectives is to do splash things. So I'm gonna show you some of the wet areas that you can go and cool off. Now it's kind of not a super hot night, but it's not a cold night. So it's a good time for them to go get wet. And I say them because I'm not doing it. But if it's a hot day at Universal and you want to get your kids cooled off, here at the If I Ran a Zoo area, it does seem to have a lot of things. Look at that shower. Oh, he's in the shower, but I guess he's right in the center. So he's gonna be okay. How do you work this thing? This contraption. Oh, you pull the handle? Ready? Oh, I almost got him. This is kind of fun, actually. I could sit here and control this handle to this weird overhead shower, and I could catch a kid as it wanders through. What does this do?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you're doing it. It looks like you soak these contraptions. Oh, do you play music? Can you turn it over there? Oh, you can. Will it play music? Anything? Yeah, I do. Here, let me grab this nozzle here. Make the water, JohnnyJans. Let's make some. Oh my gosh, that was really wet. I don't want to play anymore. I just got wet from behind from something. The box behind me shot water. That's utterly scary. How did you do that? I don't want that happening again. It was so cold. This box shoots out water, and I don't know how it does it. But I got hit. Yeah, it can get dangerous in these splash areas when things are splashing around. How'd you make... I don't want to stand in the shower. Oh, if I stand in the middle, I'm all right. Oh, the socks are getting wet. Oh, he just jumps through. No, don't push me through it. Oh God. I'm in the big contraption now. I'm gonna play catch the kid. She's not moving. Oh, you can do two of them. You get a workout here. It's so fun. This is kind of fun, but I'm not the one getting wet though. I got him! Look! Oh, they can fight for supremacy in there. That's kind of fun. JohnnyJans is intrigued by something. What do you think? You think you can climb all the way up here? Let's see how we do that. I think we have to go on the other side of this wall. Let's go check it out. You said there's a tunnel you can go through? Show me. Go through it. Good luck. I'll see you on the other side. You know what? I gotta go through this tunnel too. This looks too fun. Oh my goodness. It's so small in here. Oh, it's definitely made for a kid. What? Ew. It speaks to me in here. Oh my goodness, it's whispering things I can't understand. Hi, bud. I can go this tunnel too. Oh, see? Oh yeah, you have to be pretty versatile, flexible to get through that tunnel, but I did it. Achievement unlocked. There's some mirrors to look into. What happens when I look in this? Oh, it's a garden. Ew, that's little Jans over there. It's so weird. Did not expect that. Here, let's go to the top. Where else are we gonna go? Oh man, we are meandering around the zoo area. I'll tell you, if you kids had a zoo, it would look like this. I don't know if mine zoo would have such a low crawling wall thing. Up here, look, I found it. I've reached it where I said I was. This tower up here. See? I was right down there. And now I'm up here. Looking over all. I'm in the cage. Ah! That's nuts. I don't know what's up with Universal and slides. It seems like a lot of the slides at their play areas are closed. We found a couple in Camp Jurassic that are closed. Back when Fievel's Playland was here, they had a couple closed. And now here in If I Had Ran a Zoo is closed too. Because they look like fun slides. And here's the slides where they would come out, and you can see this cool crisscross it does. Kind of like a DNA helix. And look at this bathtub. I guess, oh, I have to do it too? Okay, okay, here we go. I'm gonna crank it. I'm gonna crank it so hard right now. All right.
I don't think it works.
No, you gotta keep doing it, that's why. You never stop for as long as it takes, yeah, right? We're gonna be here for a while. So normally, I guess something shoots out of the bathtub, but not today. All right, so this thing you're jumping on, it looks like he's gonna sneeze. Oh, I got wet too. Wow. Okay, it's time to go. Well, there we go. A look at what it would be like if I ran a zoo. It'd be just like that, except for that tunnel. Gotta heal my back after that one. And here we are at the south entrance of Toon Lagoon. And right away, just so they make it very clear, you're gonna get wet. They got a splash pad set up right underneath the sign as we go and check things out. This looks like it's randomly splashing. Look, I'm walking through and I'm not gonna get wet. Yeah, unless a really big one comes up like that. That's a big one. That's a big one. I feel like Indiana Jones in this. Wait. You gotta walk like this. Ah, there it is. There it is. Now it's Indiana Jones. Oh. That's funny. Ow. Got me in the leg. I would have died if I was Indy. Kids are better at it than I am. So we are loaded up with comics here in Toon Lagoon, but old comics. You guys remember Heathcliff? I do. He had a cartoon show on Saturday morning. I don't think I read the comics. So unless these things had some kind of cartoon attached to them, I'm probably not going to know what they are. Hey, let's see what's in the comic strip cafe. Well, we got Popeye, so you can eat here, and you could actually read comics on the wall. Oh, look at this. There's a witch that was rushing out of the awesome deals to the comic book cafe, tripped and crashed in this hole. Oh, she was so excited for a bite to eat. And look at that, look at those words, she's really angry. The Boop Boop Badoop Betty Boop store. This is why I hear the new pass holder lounge is gonna be. I don't know if that's true, but I've heard. Under this massive, not life-size Betty Boop. There's a whole Betty Boop store in there. Hey, who let the dogs out? Because they're all over this fountain right now. Get it? Here's a Flash Gordon place. Flash Gordon inspired things like Star Wars. So you can thank him for that. Oh, it's another gift shop. This is must be the Toon Lagoon gift shop. Toon Extra. I don't think it's open. Automatic slot. Oh, it is open. Yay. Oh, they have like all kinds of apparel. Popeye. Checking out the decorations. Got Betty Boop up here. Look at the stack of the funnies. This is how people got the entertainment back then. Through newspaper, kids. Boom! Knowledge of Betty Boop. Looking all dressed up there. Her umbrella. Well, kind of dressed up. I guess it wouldn't be a party without the Minions. They're everywhere, man. If you watch my farewell to Splash Mountain, I got pennies. Never got pressed pennies before, so now I'm kind of interested what attractions have them. And this store for Toon Lagoon, we got Popeye, Olive Oil, and Brutus. Check out the mountain climber over here. Oh, he's walking his dog. Oh, you can take a fun pic. Wait. So maybe if you turn the camera sideways, you get that illusion. Oh, look! The dog is pulling her. That's cool. You can get some really fun pictures. He's like straight up, he's like Spider-Man. Look at that. That was cool. The air, does it make a cool noise when you stop it? Oh, it makes some silly noises. And check it out, they're only $2. Wow, those were the days, right? When tires were $2. I like the signs that really point you in the right direction. Look at those guys stuck on the cactus. You think they got the point in the end? I bet they did. Yeah! Those Vikings are very exciting. And look, they're coming over the edge of the building, and you can just stick your face in that if you want to get wet. This is pretty weird. Why does this light bulb have to be 10 times larger than any light bulb? Is there a joke, or they just wanted to make a fun thing? That's a real bright idea, isn't it? So this family here at the family circus, I guess they lost their son Billy, and they want to make sure that he can find his way back to the family. So he left a note, but he also left this trail. And if you come out of the pages of the comic book and you follow this trail through the lagoon, we're gonna find Billy. And Billy will get back to his family. That's pretty cool. And it really meanders around here, all around the Toon Lagoon area. And we are following the trail right now. My camera got wet a little, but we're still going. See where this line takes us. Who let the dogs out? Who? Across the dog fountain. So I guess we would have walked through that, literally. And we're almost to the end of the trail. And look, we're back in the comic book. And here's the note. Billy, be sure to mark the trail, says Daddy. Wow, what a smart dad. I like this, how Heathcliff is positioned on top of a garbage can, and the garbage can is actually just part of the restaurant, but how it sticks out. I just noticed that. In the garbage can. You can eat in the garbage can? That's what I always wanted to do. Yeah, there's stools so you can eat inside of a garbage can. And look at us, we're eating, well not eating, we're inside of a garbage can. That's cool. That's one of my goals now, is I'm gonna eat in that garbage can one day. That's probably the scariest moon that ever mooned, right there. That is one creepy looking moon. Even Betty Boop looks shocked. Well, there it is, folks. We had a great night once again here at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Found some very fun ways to cool off between Seuss Landing and over here at Toon Lagoon, and appreciated a lot of the silly comic-y stuff here tonight. But that's gonna do it for me on this day 23 of this thing that I'm doing. Until next time, I'll catch you out there. Meandering around! Does that look right? Does it look like a fool? Are we getting carried away? Is anything happening?
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.